On behalf of the university, I would like to express my deepest gratitude to Dr. Elizabeth Law, Chairman of Park Hotel Property Management. She's an entrepreneur with a caring heart.
Professor Cheah is one of a rare breed of professors he has extensive industrial experience. In fact, before joining BU, he spent 10 years in UK industry, in particular doing research in aerospace.
That's why if you have a bit more blue light, you feel more energetic, excited. And in the evening, you have less blue, so you begin to feel sleepy. And it's through the evolution that we have. And also why we are advised not to look at your mobile phone and your tablet so much at night, because you have a lot of blue light, your body thinks it's in the middle of the day, so you feel very energetic. What you see here is that if you can control light and you can bend light like this is showing here, you can actually cloaking, similar like Harry Potter, where the lights bend around it. And therefore, because the light goes around it, we assume light is traveling in a straight line. You don't see the object. You assume the object is not here. But the trick always people ask is that, is it good? If you can invent it, is it good for you? I would say no, because if there's no light coming in here, you can't see outside too. You'll be blind. So if it's, remember in Harry Potter walking around in the library, well, he's lying because he can't see where he's going. The key advantage, of course, is hard, and it's also transparent. And because it's thin, only a few hundred nanometers, you can actually flex it a bit. So you can even put it onto plastic and you're not too worried that you could break it.